It was around 1960s, and an army wants to have an automated anti-aircraft warfare. For that, they need to create a system able to predetermine the enemy's airplane trajectory, the missile traveling time, an impact point, and etc. So they arranged a dedicated computer with great processing speed. They developed a complex algorithm and thousands of lines of code to handle the problem. However, no matter how hard they tried, they still couldn't get the accuracy rate their soldiers were able to reach. It was due to several factors, including different wind speeds and aircraft altitude, which the system was not able to predict. Since a soldier cannot work 24/7, the interest in having an autonomous system was very high. They decided to call Rodolphe a Zadeh to do the job. Zadeh went then to interview the soldiers in order to understand how they do what they do. The answer of the soldier was something like, "Well, I do it more by the feeling. For example, if an airplane comes high and fast, and the wind is kind of strong in the opposite way, I need to shoot with a lot of power and far ahead of the plane. If the aircraft flies not so high and a bit fast, and no wind, then my shot will be with a medium power and not so far from the plane." That wasn't the answer that Zadeh was expecting. He wanted numbers to work with, like 600 kilometers per hour and 10,000 feet, not terms such as very high and a bit fast. So how to do with that? Fuzzy logic is the answer. So how does it work? Okay, maybe the original story was not like that, but there's some application of fuzzy logic concept. In another example, a driver may decide how fast he will drive to work based on the weather. He may say things like, "Today is sunny, so I'll drive fast to work and catch some breeze." Or even, "If the weather is sunny and warm, I'll drive fast. But if it's cloudy and cold, I will drive slowly." So based on some conditions, we can define a table of relations or rules. So our conditions or inputs will be temperature and weather, and our result or output could be the car speed. The group of input and output is called fuzzy set. However, there may be different levels of sunny, such as very sunny and not so sunny. So we need to translate that in numbers, like 100% or 20%, for example. It also may happen that many rules are fired together. The weather may be sunny and rainy at the same time, and the temperature is still warm. So how to combine the rules? There are several methods to combine all the rules and generate one single result. Some of them are centroid of area, mean of maximum, Sugeno, and center of maximum. Finally, an speed output is generated to represent the mean value of those control actions. So what can we conclude? Fuzzy logic provides a way to calculate imprecision and vagueness. It can be used to represent some kind of human expertise, and it provides an alternative way to represent linguistic and subjective attributes of the real world in computing. And that's it. Fuzzy logic is a great technique to be applied to control system and other applications in order to improve the efficiency and simplicity of the design process. Thank you.